Hi, I'm Dr. Amy Seiberlich. I'm a naturopathic doctor here at White Spruce Medical, and I just wanted to chat with you for a couple minutes about allergies. Some of you may know by your nose or your runny eyes or the sneezing that allergy season is here, but it's interesting to know that Fairbanks actually just broke the worldwide record for the most amount of birch pollen on, I think it was Tuesday of last week. The record before that was held by Norway in 2014. They had about 4,900 grains of pollen per cubic meter or something. We have over 7,000. Yay! If you're an allergy sufferer like I am, that's not great news. And so I'm here today to just kind of talk to you about some things that you can do to mitigate the effects of all this birch pollen in the air. A couple things to think about are your home. Start with your home. Don't bring it inside. This can simply mean leaving your shoes at the door. Tracking that pollen into your house gets into your living spaces, your carpet, your furniture, and then you're exposed to it a lot more. So bringing that, or leaving those shoes outside, vacuuming. I know that sounds obvious, but a lot of vacuums, you can get a HEPA filter on them, and they can actually do a better job to clean that pollen out of your home. Speaking of HEPA filters, they can make a big difference if you're a severe allergy sufferer, especially in your bedroom. If you think about sleeping for 6 to 8 hours with a constant exposure to pollen, not great. If you can put a filter in your bedroom and also launder your sheets pretty often in hot water, hot dryer, you can really make a difference with your allergy exposure while you're sleeping. Lots of other ideas at home, but let's just move on to a couple great supplements. The wonderful vitamin C, everybody knows about it, but you might not know that it helps break down histamine in your blood. Histamine is this chemical that your body makes in response to allergens like birch pollen. And it comes from these cells called mast cells that you've got these other things that receive the histamine and they attach to the mast cell. And when they get enough receptors, they swell up and they explode. Think of it like an Easter egg. And when the Easter egg opens up, all of the histamine goes in your bloodstream, and that's where the symptoms come from. So things like vitamin C can break down that histamine. That's another thing that antihistamines like Benadryl do. Another great herbal supplement is nettles and quercetin. These often are paired together. Quercetin is a potent antioxidant, and nettles actually help to stabilize those mast cells so they don't break up or break open, and then your immune system can like swallow them and then they don't release into your system. So those are a couple of my favorite herbal remedies. If you're on any other medications, it's a great idea to talk to somebody before you start any supplements. Other things to consider when I'm working with allergy patients, we look at other allergen exposures in your home, food allergens, pets, environmental exposures, maybe at work. Try to bring down your overall inflammation load down so that you're not so easily triggered by birch pollen or other allergens. And for real severe cases, you might want to consider getting allergy testing, skin prick testing. That's not something we do here, but there's several great allergists in town that can do that. And then allergy shots are a possibility, but for many people, having to go get a shot, a couple times a week for several months is time and cost prohibitive. But it is considered to be the most effective long-term treatment for allergies, although I've seen really, really great results with diet and supplement interventions, and then just keeping a clean house. Anyway, that's what I've got for you today. Again, I'm Dr. Amy Seiberlich. I'm at White Spruce Medical, and if this is something that you need some more help with, come see me. I'd love to see you.